Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious fish cake soup using an easy method. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need fish cakes, a good broth base, and your favorite vegetables. We'll start by preparing a simple yet flavorful anchovy and kelp broth. Then, slice your fish cakes and vegetables into uniform, bite-sized pieces, ensuring they cook evenly and are easy to enjoy. Once your broth is ready, bring it to a gentle simmer over medium heat. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Next, add any harder vegetables like radish first. They need a bit more time to become tender. Now is also a good time to season your broth. A dash of soy sauce and a pinch of salt will enhance the overall taste, but remember to adjust to your preference. With your broth simmering and seasoned, it's time for the stars of the show, the fish cakes. Carefully add your sliced fish cakes to the pot. They cook relatively quickly, so keep an eye on them. Then, incorporate any softer vegetables, such as green onions or mushrooms. Continue to cook for just a few minutes until the fish cakes are tender and the vegetables are crisp tender, retaining their vibrant color. Your easy fish cake soup is now ready to be enjoyed. Carefully ladle the steaming hot soup into individual serving bowls. For an extra touch, you can garnish with some fresh chopped green onions or a sprinkle of chili flakes if you like a little heat. Serve it immediately to savor the comforting warmth and delicious flavors. This simple recipe is perfect for a quick and satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.